Okay, class 8. Good morning everyone. This is our part 3 video from chapter circle exercise 16.1. Okay, now today we start from the question number 2 subpart A. Okay. So our first question is okay. Find out the angle A and B. Clearly mention in the question that O is the center of the circle. Okay, we labeling it, just give the name. We know that OA equals to OB. Why? Because both are radius of the circle. Clear? In triangle AOB, these two sides already we prove equal, and we know that when two sides of triangle are equal, then angle opposite to them are also equal. That is angle ABO equals to angle BAO. Reason? When two sides of a triangle are equal, then angle opposite to them are equal. This is the feature of the isosceles triangle. Okay, so ABO, that is A, and BAO, that is 20. That means we got the value A equals to 20 degree. Done. Okay, now it's time for this one. It's 20 plus A plus B equals to 180 degree. So 20, in place of A we write down again 20 plus B equals to 180 degree. Okay, so 20 plus 20, 40 plus B equals to 180 degree. Therefore B equals to 180 minus 40 equals to 140. So our answer is angle A equals to 20 and angle B equals to 140. Clear? Note. Now it's time for question number 2D. Okay. PQ is a straight line and O is the center mentioned. So this is a straight line. We already mentioned the straight line angle is 180 degree. However, angles are here, but when you add, when you sum, it's automatic you get 180 degree value. Okay, so angle POR plus angle QOR equals to 180 degree. Whenever you add these two angle, you got 180 degree, because we know that a straight angle is always 180 degree. Okay, so a straight line is the reason. Done. So in place of POR we write A, and QOR is 80 degree equals to 180. Okay, so therefore angle A equals to 180 minus 80 equals to what? 100 degree. Done. Okay, Now it's time for POR, because we need to find out angle B or angle C. In triangle POR, first of all, O is the center and P touching the circumference. O is the center and R touching the circumference. That means OP and OR is the radius of the circle. Again, OP equals to OR. Both are what? Radius of the circle. Complete. We know that when two sides of triangle are equal, then angle opposite to them are equal. So many times I told you. So angle OPR equals to angle ORP equal. In last question I already did the reasons. So in place of OPR we write B, and in place of ORP equals to C. That means value of angle B or C is same. Okay, so in this angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, because we know that sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So in place of A we write 100, because we already found the value of A is 100 degree. In place of B we write B, but in place of C we write down B, because we proved earlier that angle B equals to angle C. That means both the value are same, equals to 180 degree. So 100 plus 2B equals to 180 degree. So 2B equals to 180 minus 100. So 2B equals to 80. Therefore B equals to 80 upon 2, that is 40. Done. So angle B equals to 40, that means angle C equals to also 40. So our answer is A equals to 100, B equals to 40 and C equals to 40. Clear? Note. Now it's time for question number 3, subpart A. So in this question, you see O is the center, the length of this side is 4 given and the length of this side is 3 given, and the question is find the length of the diameter, that from here to here. Clear? A, B, C. Done. AC is the diameter, so find AC. The question is this. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to 90 degree, because we know that this line passing from the center and B touches the circumference. That's why we know that this angle is 90 degree. Reason is angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Done. Okay. Now it's time for the new theorem. It's Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we know the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem formula is hypotenuse square equals to height or perpendicular square plus base square. What is this? Actually this is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Suppose this is your triangle, but this always exists in the 90 degree triangle. That means right angle triangle. This is 90. Opposite of 90 degree is always called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Done. Opposite of 90. See, and suppose here is the angle. So opposite of angle is called height. That is perpendicular or height, and the left portion is called base. Okay, again I repeat, this Pythagoras theorem always exists in right angle triangle. Okay, opposite of 90 degree is called hypotenuse, opposite of any angle is called height and the left portion is called base 1. So here is no angle is given, so 90 opposite is always called hypotenuse, that is diameter is equals to hypotenuse, this diameter. Now for this is called hypotenuse, that is AC square. Clear? No angle is given, that means suppose we take this is height, so in place of height we write down this one AB square, and base this is BC square. Clear? Again I repeat, this is I think new for you. Pythagoras theorem, opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse, this is called height, opposite of angle. If any angle is given, sometimes angle is also given, that means this is opposite of angle, this is called height, and the left portion is called base, because height or base is not fixed, it totally depend on the angle, where's the angle given, but hypotenuse is always fixed, that is opposite of 90 degree. Okay, so hypotenuse square, that is my fixed, AC is hypotenuse, that is diameter is fixed, that is it is hypotenuse. Okay, height is, we take it height AB and base is BC square. Clear? So AC square, in place of AB we write down 4 because here is 4 mentioned, and in place of BC we write down 3 square. Okay, so AC square equals to 4 square, that means 4 into 4 16, and 3 square, that is 3 square is 3 into 3 9. So AC square equals to 25, 16 plus 9, AC square goes this side, that is getting root 25, and we know that root of 25 is 5 into 5, that is 5. Clear? So our AC value is 5, this is diameter is our 5. Clear? Note. Okay, now it's time for question number 3C. Okay, in this question you see AB equals to given here 8 and OB equals to given is 10. You need to find out OA, that is radius. Okay, so first of all, angle OAB, angle O in triangle OAB, angle OAB equals to 90 degree. This portion is 90 degree. Why? This is another theorem. What? Whenever a tangent, because we know that whenever a line touches the circumference and passes outside the circle and touches the boundary of the circle, and the radius directly pass through it and pass, this is called drawn on it, it is perpendicular always. This is actually high level for you, this is for class 9 theorem. Okay, but applicable is there in class 8. So you see, whenever a radius directly pass on the tangent, okay, draw on the tangent, it always create here is a 90, that is perpendicular, that means this line is always perpendicular on the tangent, so it create 90 here, so this is your 90, that's why. Okay, now we know that very well. In last question we see that opposite of 90 degree, because we know that Pythagoras theorem is always exit where's the right angle triangle. So OAB is a right angle triangle. Okay, so right angle triangle, and we know that according to Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, opposite of 90 we know that hypotenuse, so OB square, and we take AB is height and OA is base, anyone, because no angle is given here. Okay, so AB is height, we consider, and OA is base. Done? Okay. So in place of OB we write down 10 square, and in place of AB we write down 8 square. OA is square. Okay. So 10 square, that means what? 100 equals to 8 square means 64, that is plus OA square. So 100, 64 come this side, that means minus 64 equals to OA square. So this is 36 equals to OA square. So 36 under root, when square comes this side, this is square root, and the square root of 36 is 6 into 6 OA. So the value of OA is equals to what? 6. Clear? Again I repeat, whenever a tangent given here and the radius draw on it, that is always perpendicular. This is theorem for class 9. Okay, but you just read a little plan for that. Note.